Good morning everybody, it's Monday the 11th of December, and this morning I'd like to do the G10 FX cloud chart market review, looking at the G10 currency pairs from an Ichimoku cloud chart perspective. So these are the currency pairs we'll be covering in this morning's cloud chart analysis. Jumping straight into the pro real-time platform, starting with the Australian US dollar. We can see we're in a steady decline since sliding through the bottom end cloud chart support level here. We've had the sell signal on the top end of the cloud here. We've not yet had a buy signal. The price, the Australian dollar, is getting pretty close to our long-term targets. The support levels here of 0.7482 is a key support zone. Look like we're getting pretty close to that level, as well as the top end of the cloud support level here. We can see we're trying to find support bottoming out here. I think the Australian dollar is in the process of bottoming out here at this significant cloud chart support zone. So short-term upside potential up to the bottom end of the cloud resistance zone here. These levels here at 76.55 will come into play as the resistance levels, but we need to see that buy signal come through at these support levels. So watch out for 74.82 and 74.28. This zone is a key area where we could see a turnaround in the Australian dollar. Okay. Euro US dollar stuck in a sideways trading range, really between the top end of the cloud chart resistance levels here at 1.1925. The bottom end cloud level support here is 116.70. Slow grind. We didn't hold support at the top end of the cloud, so we could see a little bit of a slow grind higher back to this key resistance zone here, and then continue the slide down to the bottom end of the cloud chart support level here. So far stuck within the cloud, range bound in trade, bottom of the cloud support, top end of the cloud is resistance, so watch out for resistance to come into play at 1821, 1821 zone. GDP US dollar, interesting scenario here. We're fighting desperately for support here at the front end of the cloud here at 1.3346. So watch this level here as a key support zone. You can see it's finding support there. We could see a bit of weakness as it could dip back into and then rebound from the 132.84 level, but watching very closely to see if this rebound is going to take place at these key support areas. Also, downside risk here has increased because we've got a MACD sell signal, so there is a downside risk that we can dip back deep into the support level of the cloud here. New Zealand dollar, US dollar, rebounding from a key support level. We can see this support level back in May came into play. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 retests, successful retests of support. We're now grinding higher towards the bottom in the cloud as the next key resistance zone. If it manages to break through that, we see the top end of the cloud here at 71.30. But short-term resistance is here at 69.50. So watch very closely to see what the price action is going to be like at this level. The cloud's very thick here, so there's quite a significant resistance zone ahead for it to get past these levels. First level to watch for is 69.56. Next level to watch for is 69.81. So slow grind higher there for the New Zealand US dollar. US dollar CAD rebounded from the top end cloud chart support zone, is now close to resistance, so watching out to see if it's going to be able to break past this resistance. If resistance hold, we should have a reversal and come back down to the top end of the cloud. So it's at an inflicting point. It's either going to break out, go higher to the next key resistance level here of 29.82, or we're going to go lower back down to retest the top end cloud chart support zone. Watching closely for a MACD buy signal here, so if that breakout continues, we'll be long the rally up until the 129.82 level. If not, we're going back into the cloud chart support zone. US dollar Swiss franc also found support at the bottom in the cloud here. Rallied now, fighting for support once again at the top end of the cloud here, so that could be a significant swing trade position here. 98.98 support buy there with targets of 1.0038 as the next key resistance zone. So watching very close to see if we're going to get that rebound at the top end of the cloud here. US dollar Danish krone, bottom of the cloud here is a key support zone at what's the level of 6.2970. Top end of the cloud is resistance, so somewhat range bound here. You can see a bit of a swing trade coming through here. As it gets close to this level, you could take a long position with the target, profit target at the top end of the cloud here. At first level is 6.3530, and then the next levels would be up here at 6.3785. Watch, we've had a MACD buy signal, so you can do a nice little swing trade on this one to the upside. US dollar Japanese yen struggling to get past resistance here, or testing or fighting for support actually at the top end of the cloud here. So far so good. Watch that 1.354 level, significant resistance zone, but we are fighting for support at the top end of the cloud. If support holds, then the upside target there would be the top end, the old highs here of 114.72. so watching very closely. Slow grind higher, need to get past this resistance zones, fighting for support there at the top end of the cloud. If support is successful, we should see the move going higher, but watch out for a key reversal here. We could see a reversal here if support fails at the top end of the cloud. US dollar Norwegian krone, steady grind higher after finding support here at old lows. Grinded through the cloud, broke through the top end cloud chart resistance, just kept on going. So we've had a nice couple of trades based on that, on the cloud chart signals here. We've had a weak buy signal back here at the bottom and below the cloud, which is a risky one, but nevertheless it still moved from 7.852 to 8.376. so now we're digging into resistance zones. Watch these levels to see if resistance will come into play here, and we'll see the top end of the cloud here at 8.510 is the target for the US dollar Norwegian krone in the current rally. US dollar SEK also fighting, getting close to key resistance zone. Broke past this 8.4283 zone. That's a new support zone. It corresponds well with the front end cloud chart support zone here. So we could see a bit of a further follow through here in terms of a breakout past this old high, but it's close to resistance. If resistance holds, it's going to dip back and then potentially rebound from the front end cloud support here. But watching very closely to see if we're going to get that breakout past this 8.522 level today. Okay, certainly from the major pairs, euro, US dollar, getting close to the top end of the cloud. Watch out for a breakout there or resistance to come back into play, so that would mean a short selling opportunity there. And sterling looking for a swing trade support buy at the top end of the cloud chart support levels here. Okay, until next time, happy trading.